Life-changing shower routine with Amazon products. OMG, you guys have. You ever stepped out of the shower and you're like, ugh, my skin's still kind of dull. My hair's still messy. And honestly, the whole thing just felt boring? Yeah, same. But here's the thing. Your shower doesn't have to feel like a chore. With just a few life-changing Amazon products, you can turn your regular routine into this luxury, spa-like self-care moment that actually makes you excited to shower. Like, I can't even imagine my routine without it anymore. So stay with me till the very end, because each step builds on the last, and when you put them all together, it's the ultimate shower glow-up. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Okay, first up, exfoliating shower gloves. Honestly, these are like a mini miracle. Just slip them on, add your favorite body wash, and scrub gently in little circles. Within a week, you'll see such a difference. Your skin feels smoother, softer, and literally brighter. They help remove dead skin, boost circulation, and even make your lotions absorb better after. And the best part? They're reusable, super affordable, and last way longer than scrubs in bottles. Like, why did no one tell us sooner? Now let's level up your shower itself, this Rainfall shower head with a built-in filter. If your water's hard or full of chlorine, you know it can leave your hair dry, your skin itchy, and honestly, it just ruins the vibe. But this shower head? Total game changer. It filters out all that gunk while giving you that luxury rainfall waterfall spa vibe right at home. The pressure feels so good, and every time I step in, I'm like, yes, queen, this is exactly the main character energy I needed. Okay, I'm obsessed with this one, a scalp massager brush. Instead of just scrubbing shampoo in with your hands, use this little silicone brush. Not only does it feel like a professional head massage, but it also boosts circulation, helps with hair growth, and makes your scalp way healthier. And let's be real, it turns hair wash day into a full-on relaxing experience. I literally look forward to shampooing now. And if you're into that ASMR tingly feeling, this gives it every single time. Now this is when your bathroom goes from basic to spa. Drop one of these eucalyptus steamers on the shower floor. Let the hot water hit and suddenly, your whole space smells like a luxury spa retreat. They're amazing at night for stress relief, but also perfect in the morning if you need an instant energy boost. The scent just opens up your senses, clears your head, and makes the whole shower so calming. Honestly, this one product can change your mood completely. Of course, we can't forget a good body wash. Please, babe, stop using those harsh bar soaps, they strip your skin. Instead, grab a body wash with hydrating oils like lavender, coconut, or tea tree, whatever matches your vibe. Paired with the exfoliating gloves, the combo is unreal. Your skin feels so soft, smells amazing, and looks extra glowy. It's the type of step that makes you want to hug yourself after the shower because your skin feels that good. Small switch, huge difference. A microfiber hair towel literally saves your hair. Unlike heavy regular towels that cause breakage and frizz, these are lightweight, quick-drying, and super gentle. You just twist, tuck, and let it do its magic while you finish the rest of your routine. It cuts down drying time, reduces frizz, and makes your hair so much healthier over time. And let's be real, anything that saves me effort while making me look better? Total win. And okay, this last one is just for fun, but it makes such a difference. A waterproof shower speaker. Imagine playing your favorite playlist, podcasts, or calming ocean sounds while you're showering. It instantly makes the whole thing a main character movie scene. Whether you're vibing with hyped-up music or relaxing sounds, it just sets the mood perfectly. Trust me, once you try it, every silent shower is gonna feel so boring. And that's it, you guys. Can you see how just a few small Amazon finds can completely transform your shower routine? Your skin's glowing, your hair feels healthier, and your whole vibe is calm, refreshed, and energized. Self-care doesn't always have to mean expensive spa trips. It can start right at home with simple upgrades like these. I linked everything down below, so click, check them out, and start building your own shower glow up today. Because once you try these, OMG, You'll never want to go back to your old routine.